just need you all to put it in the record. And by the way, is Mrs. Britt, what's Mrs. Britt here to testify to?
She's here because she's a department representative. Nobody's called her as a witness yet.
Okay, let me go ahead and cite Venetian Salmi Company versus PARTHENAIS 554 SO 2D 499, I'm sorry, comma 502 out of the Florida Supreme Court. If a defendant wishing to contest the allegation of the complaint concerning jurisdiction or to raise a contention of minimum context must file affidavits in support of his position. I've done that. The burden is then placed upon the plaintiff, which would be the Department of Revenue, to prove by affidavit the basis upon which jurisdiction may be obtained. Can I call Ms. Britt as a witness, by the way?
What purpose?
To verify that it's the department's position that all the necessary prerequisites for bringing the action were met.
What?
Yes or no, Mr. Denton? And if no, just tell me
Are you
why.
calling her? Are you
Yes.
asking permission to call her?
I want to ask Ms. Britt. I want to call Ms. Britt as a witness.
All right. Well, Miss Britt, you've already been placed under oath. I'll do it again just so that it's clear on this record. If you raise your right hand, do you swear or affirm the testimony that you're about to provide will be the truth?
I do, Santa Fe Britt, Department of Revenue Specialist Local 2.
Okay. Whatever your questions are, Mr. Dobbs, go for it.
Ms. Britt, can you assert or testify on behalf of the Department of Revenue that the Department of Revenue served the initial complaint within 120 days of its filing? The complaint and the summons within 120 days of its filing?
Your Honor, the department objects to that question. It's calls for a legal conclusion,
No,
not an issue of fact.
Sustain this question.
wait a minute.
Already taking judicial notice of the record, sir.
No,
And
wait a minute. Hold on. What we're not going to do, especially you two attorneys, is play this game. It is an issue of fact. Okay, hold on. Strike that first, and then I'll come back to it. Ms. Britt, do you have a copy of the docket in front of you for case number 1995-DR6110? Do you have a copy of the docket?
No, sir.
Can you all provide Ms. Britt a copy of the docket, either through however you all may serve her or give it to her, so we can get to the bottom of this?